Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you BMW R9T Scrambler. Cracking looking bike is this, sort of period looking, but with modern reliability. It's a lovely, lovely bike. 1200 boxer engine, loads and loads of power, loads of torque. They're a really good thing to ride of these. Comes with heated grips, and you've got your ABS on there as well. Nice brown leather seat, and they come with an Akrapovic exhaust, kind of a standard really, but it is made by Akrapovic. It does sound well. They really are a cool, funky looking bike of these. Shaft drive, it's no maintenance, just really, really good fun bike. It's a lovely brown leather seat on there, and the pipes for sort of stand the bike up a little bit, you can see, are made by Akrapovic on there. So they do sound really, really well. It's 2018, on an 18, 3,402 miles is all it's done. Just nice and simple, as I said, ABS, and it's also got heated grips as well. And then we'll give it a start for you so you can hear it. It does sound well, and they're always a good seller of these, so be quick, come on down to Jordanbikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.